Somebody has the hiccups today. Here's one. You're wiggling. You want to move around some more? Want to jiggle? Jiggle, jiggle. You all done with the hiccups? Maybe so.